Airstream Dreams. I haven't even really got my feet wet. Look at out there. I'm saying Airstream Dreams because I'm on Monterey Beach in something I could only say is just, it reminds me of Ireland a little bit. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look, and you know, kind of what like really does remind me of Ireland. I definitely wouldn't want to go swimming in here. But why I say Airstream Dreams, look at this lifeguard station. Why I say Airstream Dreams is pretty simple, really. Because I'm coming off the beach onto this sort of a bit of a main road here, really. And then I'm coming up on this. What on earth is that? What have I got myself into here now? What adventure have I unleashed with this paradoxical piece of Americana? My word. Yes, it does suggest creative freedom, and yes, she is a behemoth, a sovereign, a behemoth sovereign. But she's a classic and something of an icon, really. This particular one, this layout in this shape, in that name, the Sovereign. It's such a classic that they actually named the newer version of it called The Classic after this. What makes it so cool is it's got the rounded sort of alien looking windows in the front. And for me, what I think is super cool is these tinted glass windows, sort of giving you that privacy thing. But what really makes it, yeah, one of the windows. See how the glass goes around the back as well? I love that. Absolutely love that. She's not perfect. I'd be the first to say it. She needs some love, but my God. So far, everything that I've tried on it works. Except the winch. But you know what? The winch, actually, I think I could get it to work. But I just don't want to. I want a new winch. I bought all this stuff underneath here, all new. The blue ox. I removed, I don't know if you can see that there, I removed the other stuff and then put this sort of updated gear onto it. But this thing here, the stock, whatever you want to call that piece of shit, does not work. But everything else, apparently, from my findings, does work. Yeah. Pretty special stuff.